welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a black and gold glitter ombre lip tutorial for you guys, and I'm super excited to do this video. I got inspired to do this lip because I accidentally got sent a black liquid lipstick, and I just didn't really want a headache with sending it back. So I was like, you know what, let me try to find some sort of way to use this black liquid lipstick, and I came up with this really cool lip tutorial that I am so excited for you guys to see. So yeah, I think this would be awesome to wear to like a music festival, or I don't know, even for like Halloween. You guys could come back and watch this for Halloween if you wanted to recreate this lip, or you could just wear this out for fun or just whatever. So let's just go ahead and get right on into the lip tutorial. Alright, so the very first thing that we are going to start out with is the black lipstick, of course. The one that we are going to be using today is from Beauty Big Bangs, and this is in the shade 05. This is just a matte liquid lipstick, and this does dry down matte, and it stays on your lips for pretty much a while. I haven't worn this to give this like a full wear test. When I did wear this, I did purposely eat and drink something, and it did not come off of my lips. So maybe for like costume or something like that, this would be a really nice option to look into. This wasn't that expensive either. I think this was only like $3 or $4, so I mean, you really cannot beat it. And I'll have a link down below where you guys can buy it if you want to recreate this look. Now comes the next part, which is putting the gold glitter on our lips. And to do that, I'm just going to be using my lip gloss palette from my makeup brush set. This has 26 lip glosses in it. And I'm actually going to use the gold glitter gloss right there from the palette to apply to my lips. This does have huge chunks of gold glitter in it, and this is really going to give it that gold glitter ombre effect. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using a lip brush from e.l.f. This one is like super old. My bristles on it are all janky and like messed up because this thing has been through a lot. But I really need to get a new one, but I just haven't. But anyway, that is just what we are going to use. Now, if you do not have a lip brush at home, don't worry. You can always just use your finger to apply your gloss to your lips. So that is it for this black and gold glitter ombre lip tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I think this lip turned out amazing, and I cannot wait to see you guys recreate this lip if you want to. Please tag me in all my social medias if you do so. I'll have them linked down below where you guys can check them out and follow me. And until next time, I'll see y'all in my next video very soon. Bye guys!